Hello, my name is Mark Evans. This is week 3 of JAVA1, and this week we went over data management and storing, either storing an object or storing strings to a file or reading them. Kind of the meat and potatoes of the project, where you get all your data from. So I'm going to go through some of that this week, show you what I got, and like I said, hopefully everything's cool, you know. I'm doing a recipe app, kind of what I did for the iOS stuff, but kind of moving along here for Android. So the visuals and everything aren't quite there because that's going to be the next week, but I would even suspect next week it's not going to be where it would be where with my iOS yet, at least here in the beginning of the course and everything. So that's going to be pretty much it for now, but like I said, I'm using the Punchfork API, and you can see what I got. Okay, here's my app so far. It's called Recipe It Up, kind of the same as the iOS one. So if you come here in the search field, you can search for whatever you want, whatever food item, whatever recipe. Here in my select favorites, we'll show the latest search. At this point, it'll only show, well, whichever saved information I have, it'll show the last one searched. So my last search was pizza dip. Like I said, if I search for another and I add it to the favorites, or if I click on the list, it'll add to this drop down. But when I pull the app back up again, it'll just show the latest search. So the last one I click on will be the one it shows. I originally had where I would save the whole array, but I had to do some. I have to do some sort of string manipulation in order to get rid of the brackets and the commas and some other things. So didn't really have time to work on that. So for now, it's just going to show the latest one item that I have on there, but it'll still append while you're on there to show all the ones that you add while you're there. But it's basically just showing the latest one. So I'll go ahead and show you what I got going on here. So let's do chicken. So there we go. So we hit search, and the list will populate the top 7 results of chicken for the Punchfork API. So if I click buffalo chicken sandwich, it'll show you a toast of the URL. Next week I plan to implement a web view so you can actually see the recipe. Let's put Cajun chicken pasta. So if I go down here to select favorites, it'll show the 2 that I selected, and it'll append them to the list. Now if I back out of the application, it's just going to show Cajun chicken pasta because that was the latest one. And that's kind of how I designed it for now. I know it still shows that I know how to store a file, a string file, and read it, so it should meet the requirements still. But I do know how to do the array. Like I said, the instructor did go over to show me how to do that, but I do have to do, like I was saying, some sort of string manipulation. So if I back out of the application and we go back to the screen and I open the app back up, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So it shows Cajun chicken pasta. So, and if you come in here to Eclipse, you can go to the DDMS, you can go to mount, it will show you on the SD card, Android, data, files, and this is my actual save file. So if I save that out to the desktop, you can actually see the file itself of what I'm saving. So if I open up with text edit, you'll see that it shows the latest saved string. So that's pretty much where I'm at this week, and like I said, it wasn't too bad, and hopefully, like I said, I don't run into too many other problems. All right, thank you, and Have a nice day. Bye.